are safe at home. Today I am going to make mango salsa. Let's see what are the ingredients for making mango salsa. Very small onion, tomato, carrot, cucumber, mango, pepper powder, tomato ketchup, lemon, coriander leaves and salt. Friends, be careful with your fingers while grating. Now we'll grate carrots. Let's add to the bowl. Let's cut mangoes. Let's scoop the mangoes. Next, lemon juice. Let's chop coriander leaves. Let's add tomato ketchup. Let's add little bit of lemon juice. Next, pepper powder. And salt. Let's serve and taste. Time to taste. It's very tasty and delicious. Please do try mango salsa.